Just a quick video to show you the pile of computers that were collected today. There's everything here from a dual Xeon processor systems, an Apple Mac tower system, a couple of Apple clamshells, a load of tower systems with anything from Athlon, Pentium 4, Socket 370, and I think there's an early Pentium, potentially 486 computer. That's the one in the top left hand corner. I know that because it's an AT system. There's two bags at the front there. There's bags full of RAM, processors, a few hard drives, extra drives, CD-ROMs, even a tape drive. Tape drive, well, I've got to uninstall all the data off of the tape on it and give that back to the owner. That'll be fun. What else can I say about it? A few power supplies missing, processors, cards, etc, etc. Most of the machines are in pieces. I'm going to try and put them back together the best I can and make the best out of all of them. I would imagine probably a third of them will just end up as spare parts, but we'll see how things go.